Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is the tomato based hot and spicy sauce for the momos. So let's learn how to make this momo dipping sauce or chutney. In a pot we will be adding 2 large washed tomatoes, 1 onion diced, a garlic bulb or around 12 to 14 garlic cloves, an inch of ginger roughly chopped, around 12 to 14 red chilies. Now we will add enough water to the pot and would boil all the ingredients. We would cover the lid. Keep the flame to medium. We will let it boil for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, strain all the water and peel off the skin of the tomatoes. Now pour all the ingredients into a mixing jar. Put salt as required. Grind it to a paste. So our momo sauce or chutney is ready to be enjoyed with hot steaming momos. Try it at home. Hope you liked it, and if you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and bye bye.